is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, who purrs all day. D is for dog, who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims away. G is for goat that climbs so high. H is for hat, right up to the sky.
I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jump, as high as the kite. K is for kite that flies so free. L is for lion, fierce as can be. M is for moon that shines so bright. N is for nest, birds snuggle at night. O is for owl who hoots with glee. P is for pizza, yummy for me. Q is for queen with a royal crown. R is for rainbow colors all around. S is for sun, so warm and bright. T is for train, choo-choo, what a sight. U is for umbrella up when it's wet. V is for violin, we won't forget. W is for whale swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee.
Z is for yacht, sailing away. Z is for zebra, stripes all day. Now we've sung the ABC. Thanks for singing along with me. We've sung our ABCs. Thanks for joining in with me. Now you know them, 1, 2, 3. Sing again so happily.
The dog says woof, woof, woof. The cat says meow.
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow. The mouse says squeak, squeak, squeak. Let's all sing and play. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. Can you quack like a duck? Quack. Can you hiss like a snake? Let's make some sounds today. The cow says moo, moo, moo. The sheep says ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba. The horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Let's all sing and play. Can you roar like a lion? Roar. Can you quack like a duck? Quack. Can you hiss like a snake? Let's make some sounds today. The parrot says squawk, squawk, squawk. Pig says oink, oink, oink. The fox says ring, ding, ding. Let's all sing and play. Let's make all the sounds together. Trumpet like an elephant. Pow-woo! Ribbit like a frog. Growl like a bear. Wow, great job! Can you roar like a lion? Roar! Can you quack like a duck? Quack! Can you howl like a wolf? Ow! Let's have fun and play.
A is for apple, apple, apple. B is for baby, baby, baby. C is for candy, candy, say candy. D is for diamond, diamond, D diamond. E is for egg, egg, E egg. F is for fish, fish, F fish. G is for grapes, grapes, G grapes. H is for hand, hand, H hand. I is for ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. J is for juice, juice, J juice. K is for key, key, K key. L is for lion, lion, a lion. M is for moon, moon, M moon. N is for nest, nest, N nest. O is for octopus, octopus, oh octopus. P is for pig, pig, P pig. Q is for queen, queen, Q queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow, a rainbow. S is for sun, sun, sun. T is for turtle, turtle, T turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella, U umbrella. V is for violin, V violin. W is for whale, whale, W whale. X is for xylophone, X xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yacht, yacht, Y yacht. Z is for zebra, zebra.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, rolling at your feet. C is for cat, who purrs so loud. D is for dog, who's always proud. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning super sweet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, who swims along. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hippo with heavy feet. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning super sweet. E is for ice cream, cold and cool. J is for jelly, jiggly in the pool. K is for kangaroo, hopping high. L is for lion with a roar and a sigh. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning super sweet. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest with little birds to please. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddle in delight. Q is for queen with a royal crown. R is for rainbow, shining all around. S is for sun, so big and bright. T is for tiger with stripes of light. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin with music in the sky. W is for whale in the ocean blue. X is for xylophone, playing for you. Y is for yo-yo, spinning all around. Z is for zebra, with stripes so profound. Now we've learned our ABCs, singing letters with joy and ease. ABC, come sing with me. Learning letters is fun, you see. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make learning super sweet. ABC, now you know. Come back again and let's go slow. We'll sing and dance, do-do-do. Learning is fun with me and you.
Wow!
One little bear is on the run, jumping high and having fun. Two silly birds are in the tree, singing songs so happily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the numbers up to heaven. 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. The number adventure never ends. Three little cats are chasing mice, playing games, oh it's so nice. It's so nice, it's so nice, it's so nice. 4 bright stars are shining high, sparkling in the nighttime sky. Sparkling in the nighttime sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the numbers up to heaven. 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. The number adventure never ends. 5 fast fish are in the sea, swimming round so happily. Swimming round so happily. 6 cool cars are on the go, driving fast, whoa, 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 whoa. Driving fast, whoa, 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 whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the numbers up to heaven. 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. The number adventure never ends. in the park, quacking loud till it gets dark. Quacking loud till it gets dark, 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 dark. 8 soft clouds are in the sky, floating gently way up high, floating gently way up high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the numbers up to heaven. 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. The number adventure never ends. 9 tall trees are in a row, standing strong as the winds blow. The wind blow, the wind blow, the wind blow. 10 bright balloons are flying free. Come along and count with me. Come along and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the numbers up to heaven. 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. The number adventure never ends. Let's count all day and count all night. Numbers make our world so bright. World so bright, world so bright, world so bright. On Kitty's TV we'll learn and play, counting numbers every day. Hands. Find something red and make a little dance. Red's for love, red's for cheer. Jump for red, let's shout, oh dear. Rainbow colors all around. Dance with colors, let's make some sound. Each color's bright, each color's fun. Dance to colors one by one. Sunshine bright and warm. Let's spin around in a sunny storm. Yellow like daisies, bananas too. Wave your hands for yellow, woohoo! Green like grass and the tall, tall trees. Let's tiptoe softly, as quiet as leaves. Green like frogs, jump high, high, high. Now find something green and say, oh my! Blue like the sky and the ocean waves. Let's sway like water in big blue caves. Blue like berries, so cool and sweet. Let's stomp our feet to the blue beat. Rainbow colors all around. Dance with colors, let's make some sound. Each color's bright, each color's fun. Dance to colors one by one. Purple like grapes on a vine so fine. Let's wiggle and wobble like a purple line. Purple is pretty like a butterfly's wing. Let's find purple, dance and sing. Now we know the colors so bright. Rainbow dance from left to right. Colors are everywhere in things we see. Let's dance to colors 1, 2, 3. Look at me, I'm a banana. Apples are my favorite fruit. Apples are my favorite fruit. Look at me, I'm an apple. Oranges are my favorite fruit. Oranges are my favorite fruit. Look at me, I'm an orange. Watermelon is my favorite fruit. Watermelon is my favorite fruit. Look at me, I'm a watermelon. Grapes are my favorite fruit. Grapes are my favorite fruit. Grapes are my favorite fruit. Look at me,